Hi Harry, today we're going to draw the flag of Israel. As you can see that it has a symbol, the star symbol in the middle. Let's start the drawing, and it has a special outlines. So let's draw those outlines. As you know, the flag is of rectangle shape, so we already put a rectangle shape here. Okay. All right. So with the sign pen, we already draw the colors. Now we're going to fill up the middle spaces of those colors. The star symbol remains same on a white background, and we're going to fill up the top and the bottom parts. Okay, and let's fill up the other one in the bottom. All right. So we're filling up the whole area inside these lines. Okay. This is the flag of Israel. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on to get the updates. You can also browse through the playlist to select different categories of drawings. We have lots of drawings there. Flag drawing is only one of those many sections, many different categories. Thank you so much. Have a good day.